In this video, we're going to look at how to turn on YouTube dark mode on mobile, on PC, on desktop, on whatever device you're trying to use. And I know that you already know that because you clicked on this video, but because of the YouTube algorithm, I've got to say that anyway, otherwise it doesn't reach the people that are looking for this. Now that I've gotten that out the way though, we can jump straight into it. And we're going to start off with turning on YouTube dark mode on a desktop or a laptop. So let's dive into the screen recording here. And the first thing you want to do is open up YouTube in a browser. This is in Chrome, but it should work on any other type of browser you're using. You want to click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then scroll down to Appearance, and then you've got the current selection. Mine is the device theme. Yours might be different. It might be light theme, it might be dark mode already if you've got that activated for whatever reason. You're going to click on that, and then you've got three options here. So dark theme is dark mode for YouTube. So click dark mode, and voila, you've got dark mode activated on YouTube. It's that easy. 1, 2, 3 clicks. All right. Now, if you're using a Mac, and with Windows devices works similarly as well, but if you're using a Mac, what you can do is also go and just leave it as device theme. And then if you go to System Preferences and you go click on General, at the top here under Appearance, you've got three options: light, dark, and auto. If you select auto, you're going to have your theme change depending on the time of day. So at night you'll have dark mode, and during the day you'll have light mode. And if you leave your appearance settings here to be device theme, it'll change along with that. So all of the apps that you have on your computer that are compatible with dark mode will change to dark mode at night if you've got the setting set. If you don't though, a very simple way is just to go to Appearance and select dark mode, and you'll get dark mode all of the time. So if you want to know how to turn on dark mode on a mobile device, it's just as easy. So what you're going to want to do is first make sure that your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. If it is, then just open up the YouTube app. And then it's pretty much the same situation. You're going to click on the top right corner, so your profile picture. And then you're going to scroll down to the settings option. And then under General, so you're going to click General. You'll scroll down to Appearance. And then you can do the same thing. You've got use device theme, light theme, and dark theme. Dark theme is dark mode, so you can click that and you're going to have dark mode all of the time. But again, if your device is compatible with using a light changing theme, you can also just leave it as use device theme, and then depending on what you have set, it will change automatically for you. But if you want to force dark mode, just click dark theme and you're good to go. And that's it. Is there anything else? No, it's really that simple. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more YouTube tips, video tutorials, etc. Try and keep them as simple as possible. Try to get straight to the point as possible. And now I'm rambling, so I'm just going to go. I'm going to see you in the next one. Ciao.